Ebube Igbo ekene m unu, Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ. Enwere ihe anyị bụ mmadụ bịbịa mee awe ignore mgba nkịtị, mana enwere the kind of testimony ya bụ nnụ that is shared by somebody not the good and he share ihe Christianity. It calls my mind back. This young man unu akwadi na video bụ a na-akpọ ya Okafe son. Enwere onye na ido na-aga TikTok ya na afia wewe because the one of his thing that draws attention bụ and also his way o si ekwu okwu. That is what draws people's attention to him. But that's not why I'm here today. The reason why I'm telling you here because a powerful testimony we share. A very powerful testimony because na obolo ni na-eje Ebube Mounso church ministry or anything that has to do with Ebube Mounso jiri si ike jebe. Igekwana nda asalente. Because some of the things na-eme ndị ba is that onye je obu na nwetara discourage onye ọzọ eje na. Mana ichefuze na ihe anyị na-agụ mgbe ahụ ụka onye lụọ ka ọfụ n'anya onye lụọ ka ọfụ n'anya iluke n'ụka ịfụ n'anya. 1. Go with your faith. 2. Go with your understanding. And 3. Let your heart be open to receive. Ijes na dị na-achọghị ka ịmara nke ya emene ka ịmara mmadụ onye da anana ka ịmara prọfesi onye ka ịmara nke ya catch mo fake, you will miss it. Need this testimony of this young small boy, this very small boy ka eso ihe Jesus mere na ndụ ya. Ife Jesus mere na ndụ ya. So the reason why ji ekwu ya ị na-eje ụka Ebube Mounso, ị na-eje ministry ya na bụrụ his follower, bụrụ na love ya because they say ya ike because God is still working in the midst of his people. Eziokwu na so mepe ya sị gị na nwere ihe dịka ụka na Jesus mee aka nka Jesus mee ha nke ọzọ. Ngụwa jekene onwezi ihe Jesus ahụ mee gị ịma na Jesus abụ fake, mana ọ bụ na onwe ihe Jesus mee gị Jesus abụrụ fake and he doesn't disappoint. Na end this video. Gordon.
Father Ebube Mounso of Holy Ghost Adoration Ministry, aka Okwaya the GUO of Holy Ghost Adoration Ministry UK. So now when you this Adoration Ministry UK on in a now listen to me. This young boy now we are after on 5th of October. The boy along over the boy. This boy was serious along over the boy. The boy rush here to one private hospital. That private hospital refer to one FMC again one. Their kind of lab test. We discovered that the boy was diagnosed by it was a acute kidney injury. It was diagnosed by acute kidney injury. Now that made the boy this boy this boy. This your boy, this small boy you now here. From that hospital, I refer to Newi. I refer to Newi. I look when the Newi. I call everyone I call. Imaneku is chill apoloka. If Leku is chill all nishi. This small boy, didn't we call Vanati Tokuba, refer Vanati back to Asaba. The next day, Asaba kind of New Hope, Guinea one call again. I refer back to Newi, even Kanana, where I feel this boy, and amen. Because the truth of the matter be say I walk on no go in and my shop on a bad room on a family one and just that I believe that by will the solution. This boy now unique. So fortunately or unfortunately, one of the family members that were contact here, Reverend Father Ebube Mounso already or one of Father Ebube Mounso Shigana but at that period, then we discovered that that sundown, not for Father Ebube Mounso, no ya conduct mass, something like that. They were send their secretary a message, forward all that picture of this boy. Send this boy now because permit us to see father. Can father bury this boy? Now you want to result the boy ya ungodu. Or ya unyango just call just even a message just call guy. A seen that a wheeler, a chilanyoma, a juka white. Now long story cut short. I was so okay, Secretary Reverend Father Ebube Mounso, which is Father Ebube Mounso send a Asana father, Shiva men de Babia Mbanon Ndizi Tegolo no ogu. And me van edition no chuku Mama Father Reverend Father Ebube Mounso ka undu adoration ministry uke. Aluwago mana onogu ka aluwago amalamo. So Father Shibabia, Father or Reverend or Amam or go Amam Boju Evil doctor or something like that. Man, you will when Shibabia, oh no, no, men de vulu their boy, their baby boy, Jebe, Eluna and Father Ebube Mounso. Lo and behold, it will tell Father Ebube Mounso, this young boy, yeah, make the same chat, everything. So it will tell the boy, so Reverend Father Ebube Mounso. Bebelu the boy ebele onye diagnosed by acute kidney injury. Ebele. Lo and behold, Reverend Father Ebube Mounso ebechekwa ebele, the boy ebinye okwu. The boy akwala anyu amele fa ameni. Enyu bakwa na amele. Obulo ma ji. Mona ba la bia ko tu na. No be mad. When I call him how you me pull mouth. The boy won't look at me, bro. The boy didn't do low that, didn't it? Even in an app, I've really, I will no go after that, and don't know what I will na just na go na call two banana quego. I can't take dinner. Get Reverend Father Ebube Mounso. Guy, Bele, Elo 1 hour. Till today, the Kawana na tie back to Lagos after Kada Father Ebube Mounso Becheli Bele. But then I get back to Lagos. That's not the boy. You'll at least the boy. You'll like no, boss. Before you load that Lagos. Till today, boy is still alive. So Reverend Father Ebube Mounso, you remember this video? Okay, one mochi ne beli wo kwani wo. Yeah. Father nke yes emu na ohu. That di when you work am bufu obu ke man and serious. He said that me actually mo che. Reverend Father Ebube Mounso, na the Holy Ghost adoration in the ministry UK. It will left-handed, Reverend Father Ebube Mounso, left-handed, about no, mona mother lazianza, oh, when you try you left hand. Can laugh right hand, come on, can batani can solve right. So, can laugh right to ma call with the right. I mean, you left. Even more than left-handed, Reverend Father Ebube Mounso, I swear to God, no, yeah, serious problem. So, Father, I'm coming very soon. Give you updates. In be a going to neighbor, chuku no all make on know they hide them. Malo Chineke ọbụna n'ọrụ na-ezozi na Chukwu n'ọrụ onye ọbụla nwe Chukwu n'alụ mekọ na no dey hide am na na-efufute Chukwu nwe ọrụ mekọ ọma na ege na-eme ya na so the boy dị ndụ luo taa guy akọchala m dị akụkọ nna isi gbaka m ekomo Reverend Father Ebube Mounso daddy hold as you hold jide gị iji nna m ukwu jide ndị mara Chukwu na-ekpelu jidesie dị Chukwu ike I'm coming here so the boy is still alive till today. So when in the Holy Ghost adoration, the Shivike, actually no problem. Maka achom ke ba in the too much there, so that I be a corner can the blessing na to onyo no and only one is too much. So okay, let's Chineke she will Reverend Father Ebube Mounso we kwalungwolo. Man when they will visit Father Reverend Father Ebube Mounso malangishi, mam chukudi, man malan just you need just come the I'm coming right away. What I mean, no. Yo. Kemgbe say menace adoration. Me go to Germany na go. Now so the boy is still boy didn't do low today. Boy didn't do low ta.